Hi, if you're watching this, you've purchased the 2 Softbox 1000 watt variable light set from Tube Tape, and now you're wondering on how to put it together. Well, let's go over some of the basic steps you'll need for putting together your light kit. Now, your light kit is going to come with 2 QL1000 lamps, 2 7-inch reflectors, 2 soft boxes with rods, 2 power cords, 2 softbox attachments, and 2 light stands. Now, the first thing you want to do is take your QL1000 watt lamp and actually remove the plastic housing that's protecting where the bulb goes. You do that by pressing down on the little metal switch on the side and turning to your right, and it'll come off and you've got it exposed. Save the plastic housing shield and keep it in your bag because you'll use this again when you're transporting your lights. You have 2 options. Either you can put a reflector on this or a softbox, and we're going to go over both of those and how to assemble them. Now, assembling the reflector is pretty easy. You just take the front end of your actual lamp and you'll see the little indentions on the side. Well, you insert those in while holding down the metal piece and turn it to your left. Now, assembling your softbox can kind of be a tricky procedure. You first need the aluminum piece that you actually attach to the light. What we're going to do first is we're going to assemble the softbox, and then I'm going to show you guys how to attach it to the light. What you want to do first is lay your actual softbox unit kind of out so you can kind of get to it. You'll notice that there'll be little edges on the side here. We're going to use those in a minute. But what you want to do is you want to take the piece with the little nodular screw thing on it, and you want to take that round piece and fit it into the round piece that's actually on the unit itself. Now we're going to take the remaining of our rods and make sure the longer, thicker end is pointed toward our round unit here for the base of the lamp. And what we're going to do is we're going to take each one of these and slide it into the housing and fix it to the inside right there, because there's a little place where it'll slide in. Now we're going to want to do that on each side. Okay, now we're going to take each one of these ends, and you'll see on the side there are several holes. You want to kind of even those holes out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've only got 4 of these, so what we want to do is skip every other one. You want to use the floor as leverage to kind of even these out so that you have kind of a square. It's kind of a little bit difficult, but it's the only way to do it. So you level it out and they'll bend, and you'll take that little metal piece and slide it in there so that it won't move. You got to make sure your rods are in the end pockets on each of the softbox corners. And what you'll do is you'll take these and you'll notice the Velcro, and you'll kind of flap the Velcro around to give it some insulation so you can actually keep the light inside of the softbox. This actually knocks down some of the light and diffuses it a little bit better, and you actually attach it up to the corners. There's some little elastic things that you can attach it to. The final thing you want to do for your softbox assembly is take the Velcroed diffuser for the bottom part of the softbox and kind of bring it out, and what we'll do is you'll notice there's Velcro on the inside of this, and we just attach it to each corner. It may not fit perfectly it coming straight out of the box, but over time, with them being open and stretching, it'll fit great. For the final assembly, we take our actual light and our softbox, and you'll notice the nodes on these are the same as they are on the reflector. Well, we align them up with the node entry points on the actual light. Insert it like so, and hold down on the little switch on the side. Give it a turn. If the actual unit moves, what you can do is hold down go through one of these entry points on the side here and actually put your hand through and hold it so you can turn to lock it in place. Now we take our 1000-watt light and we actually go in through one of the entry points on the side and we insert our 1000-watt light bulb. Attaching the softbox or the lamps to the stand is actually a pretty simple process. You undo the stands, bring them out to a point of where you can actually set them down. So what we do now is we take our actual light, undo this piece so that the bolt is almost all the way out, loosen it up here so we bring the bottom piece down. We take the bottom piece, slip it onto the light all the way down till it's flush, tighten up the bolt on the back, and voila, your light is on the stand. Final step for putting your light kit together is actually attaching the power cord. It's pretty simplistic. Take your power cord, plug it into the back of the unit, and then take the other end and plug into a power jack. Well, in this video we've covered how to assemble your 2-piece softbox light kit from Tube Tape. Once you get it assembled, you'll have tons of uses for it in your video and photography productions.